Hi, my name is Carl Petit and I'm the owner of Columbia Water Gardens, and I want to personally welcome you to our YouTube channel. You're going to love it here. One of the things that we like to do a lot of is shoot raw, unedited content and get it up into the channel as fast as we possibly can. So what that means is that if we're out there working in the field and we're working on a project and we're doing something that we feel that is just absolutely a must that we share with you guys, we're going to shoot that video and we're going to upload it as fast as we possibly can. So that means that you're going to get some tips from us on basic installation, some professional tips on some advanced techniques. You're also going to get some product reviews on some products that we really love and other products that we just really hate. So it's going to be an awful lot of fun. One other great thing is that we like to interact with our customers. So if you see us shooting something that you don't like, give it a thumbs down. And if you give us a thumbs down, be sure to explain why in the comments down below, why you're giving us that negative response. It helps us grow and get better as a channel. And of course, give us a thumbs up if you see us doing something that you really like. So right over here, there's going to be a link for you to subscribe. There's a really great video over here of some awesome koi fish, and right down below is a link to our website for you to purchase pond supplies. I'm Carl with Columbia Water Gardens, and I'm here to remind you to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy ponding!